Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on Snapchat in your Android device. So let's open Snapchat. Now on the top left corner you can see your profile image, tap there. Now on the right side top corner you can see this setting button, tap there. Now scroll down and you can see notifications, tap there. So in this screen, make sure enable notification is checked. Then you can customize your notification in detail. You can get notification for stories from friends, friend suggestion, mention, memories, friend's birthday, message reminder, creative effects, and message from your best friends. And you can customize your notification with wake screen, blink LED, vibrate, sound, or ringtone, whatever you want. Just uncheck or select checked. Let's keep them all selected. Then if you want to get notification from your stories, and below there is a button for manage story notification. Here you can go and you can select the subscriber you are following to get the notification from them. So that's it guys. Likewise you can enable notification on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.